So, good morning, Sarvesh. How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine. So, today, what we will do, we have learnt up till verbs and we have studied active voice, passive voice conversion also. Only thing is, we have to study in active voice, passive voice, the question form transformation. That we will do on Monday. Okay? Right. Today, what we will do, we will have a quiz on whatever we have learned so far. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you prepared?
Yes.
Very good. Now let us see. Now, define a language. Loudly answer. Define a language.
Language is a tool for communication.
Very good. You get a mark. Okay? Right. Now, tell me what do you understand by a word? Letter.
Basic unit of a language.
Loudly.
Basic unit of a language.
Very good. Basic unit of a language. You get a mark. And then, what do you understand by word? What do you mean by a word? Or define a word?
A single or a group of letters combined together and give us a full meaning is called a word.
Very good. You get a mark. Score. Right? And what do you understand by a sentence? Sentence. Define a sentence.
A single or a group of words combined together and give us a full meaning is called a sentence.
Very good. You get a mark. Okay. Now we will again try to go deep. What are the types of sentences? How many types of sentences are there?
Four.
Very good. You get a mark. And what are they?
Declarative sentence.
Very good.
Interrogative sentence.
Very good.
Imperative sentence. Exclamative sentence.
Very good. You get a mark. Okay? Right. Now, you tell me what do you understand by an imperative sentence?
Command, request, appeal.
Excellent. You get a mark for that. Very good. Now, you have studied parts of speech, parts of sentence, right? You tell me how many parts are there in a sentence?
3 major parts.
Very good reply. 3 major parts. You get a mark for that. You tell me now what are they?
Subject.
Very good.
Predicate.
Very good.
Object.
Excellent. You get a mark for that. Okay. Now, I am going to write a sentence. Okay. You have to identify the parts. You have to take the proper method. If you go by the proper method, you will get a mark. Okay? Right. 1 minute. Let it begin. Now I write a sentence. Read this.
I read Bible.
Okay. Now you have to identify the parts of your sentence methodically. How you go about?
First find out the predicate.
Very good. First you will find out the
Predicate.
predicate. Okay. How you will find out the predicate?
Action word.
Which is the action word here?
Read.
Very good. So you get a mark for that. And next,
Subject.
how will you find out the subject?
Ask questions.
What questions you will ask?
Who?
Who?
Who? Which?
Which is not right?
Who, what?
That is right. So you get half a mark. You should not forget. Okay, now you ask a question.
Who, what?
You ask a question and find out.
Who, I.
Very good. Now this is subject. Very good. Next.
What, which. Bible.
Very good. What is it?
Object.
Very good. You are not told. Right. So this is the way you identify subject, predicate, and object. You get a mark. Okay. For object. Only for subject you have to. You said who and which. It is who and what. So you got half mark less, right? But otherwise it's good, fairly well done. Very good. Now you have completed parts of sentence. Parts of speech you have learned. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
How many parts of speech?
8.
How many?
8.
Very good. You get a mark. Can you list the parts of speech?
Yes.
Come on, tell.
Noun.
Noun,
Pronoun.
pronoun,
Verb.
verb.
Adverb.
Very good. Adverb,
Adjective.
adjective. Very good.
Conjunction.
Conjunction. Okay.
Interjection.
Interjection. Okay. Which is the one you missed? The pen is on the box. The pen is on the box. I write on the board. I sit on the chair. You forgot. So, okay. Now, what we have missed is preposition. You get it? Missed. So, you get for 8, one you have missed. So, I have to give you, I will give you half a mark. No problem. Okay? Right. Now, tell me, we have studied all this. Noun. Define a noun.
A noun is a word that denotes the.
Noun is a?
Noun is a word
Very good.
that denotes the name of the person, place, or a thing.
Excellent. Just very done very well. In full mark. And under noun, you read so many. Correct? You tell me what are the different types of noun? How many types are there?
4.
What are they?
Common,
Common,
proper,
proper,
collective,
collective,
abstract.
abstract. Excellent. Okay, you got a full mark for that. Right? Can you give an example for common noun?
Podu,
Hmm?
podu,
Okay, Urdu, Tamil language, but you give an example.
place,
Place,
city,
city. Okay, city I give full mark. Okay. An example for proper noun,
Madurai,
Madurai. Very good. One full mark. Collective noun, can you?
family,
Hmm?
family,
Louder.
family,
Family. Very good. Abstract.
sweet,
Sweet. Okay. Love. Affection. Right. Very good. You get a mark for this. Examples also you have said nicely. Now, under noun, you study gerund.
then
What do you understand by gerund?
noun to verb,
It is not noun to verb. It is verb to noun.
verb to
Example?
walk, walking,
Very good. Walk,
walking,
walking. Okay. Can you make a sentence with gerund?
I am walking,
I am walking will be verb only. You have to use walking as a subject.
walking, walking, walking is good for health.
Excellent. That is correct. Walking is good for health. Right? Then I give a mark. Right? Very good. How many? Now also you have done well. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 21. Another 4 questions. We will cut through. Right? Over it. Now you have completed gerund, everything. Now we go to what next?
Verb,
Verb, right? You studied pronoun. Okay. You define what is a pronoun. Can you define pronoun? You know, you're given. Pronoun is a word that stands for a noun. Okay. Right, okay. You don't get a mark for that. You have to study. Right? Very good, no problem. We'll study. You ask me again, we'll go to pronoun and read further, study further. Okay? Now next, verb. Define verb.
verb is an action word,
Action.
action word,
Very good. You get a mark for that. Good. Now tell me, what are the types of verbs you have studied?
main verb,
Main verb,
auxiliary verb,
auxiliary verb,
transitive verb,
transitive verb,
intransitive verb,
intransitive verb. Very good.
modal,
Modal.
modal, form,
Forms. Forms. What are the forms you know?
tense,
What are the forms you know?
tense,
Basic form.
basic
Form, ing form,
ing form,
past participle,
Past
like that. Okay. Then what else remain? You have forgotten one important group.
tense, tense,
Tense is different among the types of verbs. Am, was, what are they?
beaver,
Very good. You forgot be verbs. Okay. So it's very good. Normally we confine to this 4 major. These are all additional. But anyway, you have given a good answer. So I give you a full mark for that. Right? Now I ask you examples. Example for main verb, give me one.
walk,
Walk. Right it is. Example for auxiliary verb.
is,
Hmm.
is,
Loudly.
Is.
It.
Is.
Right? Is. Is not right. I give you wrong. I will explain later. It is not correct. Transitive verb. Give me an example. What is transitive verb?
A transitive verb is a object. As a verb with an object.
Very good. With an object. Okay. I give you right. Intransitive verb is
A verb with no object.
very good. Example for transitive verb can you give? What is that? Anyone?
I.
Hmm. Sentence with an object you have to say. Finished. Hmm.
I tell story.
Hmm?
I tell story.
I tell story. Very good. The verb is tell. Excellent. Right. Intransitive example.
I say.
Very good. Say. Both mean the same but different. It is transitive. This is intransitive. Very good. Examples for modal. No idea? I told you no. Suppose you ask permission to come in, whether I can come in or not. Can I come in? Would, could, might, may, all these things are modal verbs, right? Would, etc. Form of verbs you have already said. Okay? Very good. You got a full mark for this. Now, under verb, you read the tenses. Okay? Right? How many tenses we have studied?
12.
12. Very good. Get a mark for this. How many? 25 has come? Yes. So we will close today's quiz. How many you have scored? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now here one, 24 remove. You won 23 out of 25. Here you lost one, here you lost one. You got 23 out of 25. This is your score. Are you happy? Good. Well then, you should try to score in grammar. It is something like mathematics. You should always try to score center. 100%. It should be 25 out of 25. Okay? So on Monday, we will study active voice, passive voice, question form conversion. Okay? So today we will call it a day. So all the best. Okay, good.